Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I just wanted to come and drop another video because I want you all to understand that AI is way more than chatbots and robots. You've probably seen me before, but if this is your first time, I'm Marcus's AI avatar. And today, I'm going to show you 5 wild, unexpected things AI can do that'll make you say, wait, what? All right, let's get into it. All right, so for starters, AI can clone your voice with just 30 seconds of audio. Yes, that's right. AI tools like 11 Labs, which is one of my favorites, can take a short audio sample of your voice and generate an entire script that sounds just like you. Many creators are using it to narrate videos without recording. It's very, very powerful. Number 2, AI can take sketches and turn them into realistic images. All right. So again, one of my favorite things to do, but just for illustration purposes, let's say you were to draw a stick figure on a napkin. There's an AI tool like Scribble Diffusion. Let's see what else is out there. You got Dreamface, you got Leonardo. It's a lot, but all of these tools can turn that into a full digital painting. So many designers, artists, and marketers are using this to go from idea to concept in just a matter of seconds. Number 3, AI can write and perform music in your favorite artist's style. So, as an example, you want some lyrics that have a Jay-Z type tone to it, or a Travis Scott type beat, or a Dr. Dre type beat. AI music generators can literally mimic style, tempo, and tone, whether you're making a new track or just want to experiment. The future of music production is officially wide open. Now, let's get into number 4. AI can create video just from a text prompt. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So you have various platforms out there. So you got platforms like Runway. You even, believe it or not, even something as simple as ChatGPT can do this. Pika, it will let you generate short videos just from a sentence. So you can literally just say something like, a man is walking through Times Square in the rain at night, and boom, right there you got it in just a matter of seconds. So filmmakers and brands are jumping all over this for content creation like on steroids. Now let's get into number 5. So AI can read facial expressions and emotions. So some AI models can read your face and detect if you're happy, nervous, distracted, and even lying. This is already being used in security, user experience design, and emotional analysis in therapy apps. So all depends on how you feel about it. This might be something you might be like, oh, that's pretty dope, or you might find it kind of creepy, right? So I think there's going to be people on both sides of that aisle. All right. So just wanted to definitely at least bring those 5 different things you can do. So many of you guys may not have known that AI can even do these things, or maybe you did, and now you're just thinking about it maybe slightly different. Now, let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. Or better yet, tell me how you're planning to use AI in your life or business, which is an untapped thing right now. But definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more AI gems dropping every week, so stay tuned, stay right here, so don't miss the wave. All right, I'm out.